So I'm rebuilding an older trailer out back, and it's an enclosed trailer, and I need to replace some of the covering metal. And I didn't want to do the hand riveter thing, so I invested in this heavy-duty air riveter. It has 1/4 inch capacity, just so you understand how big that is. Here is a 3/4 inch long, 1/4 inch thick rivet. So that's pro grade right there, and I love it because I can now do it with this. So it comes with a couple tools so that you can adjust the stuff. It comes with 4 end pieces for the different size rivets: 1/4 inch, 3/16, 5/32, 1/8, and 3/32. So, and it also comes with spare those little thingies. So comes with one of them mounted in it, and then the other 3 on here underneath. You have to get your own air supply nozzle, right? It comes with great directions that are very thorough, and I highly recommend you read through them before you start doing anything. And it comes with a warranty card. I highly recommend you fill that out. It also comes with this cup that catches the rest of the rivet after you rivet it in, and it cuts off the end piece and shoots it into this little cup. So